YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl Receiver coming at you with another video. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama and them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, we had a Temu haul, baby. Y'all know that Karomi has had me in a chokehold, y'all. If you want a Stanley-like cup, but don't want to pay that Stanley money, go on Temu. They got the dupes. I got this from there. What is this? I forgot what size this is, y'all. But it got the inside is, I think I got water or juice in here. Or orange juice. The inside is the stainless steel, keeps your items hot or cold. And I thought this was so cute. If you're into like Karomi, what is it? The other one is cinnamon roll or Hello Kitty. They got a whole bunch of stuff on there. I also got this from there. On top it has a spoon. Oh my gosh, it's late, y'all. It got a spoon and a fork, and basically you can put stuff in here. So I got my little snackies. So like in here, I got my little animal crackers, my peanuts, and my goldfishes. So if you want like little stuff to food prep, or you know, they got stuff on there. Hold on, I think it's on correctly. So yeah. And then y'all know I also got this on there. It's a cup. And this little mug. So if you're into the character, the anime and stuff like that, they got it on there. We got this package right here. Y'all, the light might go out, so if you see something get a little darker, I'll try my best to fix the light when I edit the video, but sorry. I'm sorry, because the phone is about to die soon. And excuse my ashy hands. My hands are peeling. So they sell sunglasses on Temu. Some of them are just regular sunglasses. They got dupe glasses. I came across these sunglasses, y'all. So sometimes they have actual like lettering on stuff, but you gotta hurry up and buy it because people buy it out and it disappears. Sometimes it might come back, and a lot of times it don't. So I had got these Prada glasses. I thought they were so cute, giving me like the Devil Wears Prada, that movie. So it actually has Prada, Milano, and I thought these was real cute. And they got Prada right there. So yeah, y'all, if you look for sunglasses, put luxury sunglasses, designer sunglasses, or just sunglasses. Search those words, and you'll come across like some dupes and stuff like that, like some good sunglasses. Hold on, it's got my information on the front and on the back. And I recently just had a situation with Temu where they lost my package, so they had to refund me my money. I'm like, are you serious? So then I also bought some clothing from them and like pajamas. So once I get a little bit better, y'all, I'm definitely going to do a little try on haul. I got pajamas, loungewear, some outerwear. What is this? I got some biker shorts, but the part is shared right here. That's gonna be by the leg part. So if you're looking for like summer stuff, like leggings and biker shorts and stuff, now's the time to buy them. Because I go on there and I'll type in plus size leggings or plus size shorts. Like if you're on the thicker side, put plus size before you search. Like I got plus size jean jacket, plus size pajamas or plus size sleepwear, plus size romper, and all that other stuff. So if you're plus size, just search plus size, because if not, it's going to give you different sizes. And they even got like US sizes mixed with Asian sizes, so you want to make sure that you're doing the right sizing. Y'all, this is just some hand cream I figure I can get just to have in my purse if I don't want to carry a big lotion or don't want it to take up too much space. And they actually just come in these little tubes of lotion. So yeah, and it's like, it's supposed to be in the scent of orange. So yeah, This paper is sticking to my hand. What is going on? Y'all, this paper is really sticking to my hand. I think it was the friction, the static. Alright, so we're gonna move y'all up. Move this out the way. So let's see what we got up in here. Now I have purchased a few more items that's coming, and after that I'm just gonna purge from Temu, because Temu, you'll think you got everything you've seen, and then you'll go in there and see something else and be like, oh, I need to see it, I need to get it. So yeah, y'all, the light just went out. Yeah, the light just went out. We're cool, we're gonna work through it. It's a little dark, but it's alright. So we got more Kuromi storage bins. This is like what it has. It has 3 compartments. So another food dish. I got this Kuromi storage bin I'm gonna put on the side of my bed to put like my Tums. What else? My Tums, my vitamins and stuff like that. This is a Kuromi storage. Just a little storage to keep little stuff in there. I thought it was cute. It comes with a keychain. So just, y'all, I love Kuromi, and especially that it's purple. Yes. I got this pajama set for like $3 or $4. It's the tank top. Spaghetti string tank top is the shirt. And then they just got some little shorts. And I always get a 5X because I like for my stuff to cover my rump, okay? I'm trying to hurry up, y'all, because I don't want this to die. So that was like in a blue color. And this is in like a green color. So we got that. And then the last item I purchased is this blanket, and this is in the largest size. This is in the 150 by 200 centimeters, and basically it's a Lisa Frank blanket. So I got the different Lisa Frank characters like the cat, we got all types of stuff. It's the Lisa Frank blanket. I'll try to put something on the side to show you what it looked like. So yeah, y'all, that's my haul. I'm sorry that the light went out, but I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.